Twin say he missed you.
Nah, I really missed you, for real.
Twin say Twins miss
you guys fucking, you did me dirty.
No, we mean it. Like, the whole thing glitched.
You know, we wouldn't explain it to you if we mean it. We didn't mean it. It was an accident.
He's laughing.
Nah, I'm just smiling.
But talk to, he's smiling.
But for real, though, like,
talk to Twin, though.
Just because we did that, we gonna come to Canada just to see you. You know what I mean?
Who's we?
Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you?
We in the States.
Where?
Texas.
Texas.
Yeah, like we close. Like.
No, we're not.
Yeah, like we close. We can pull up by tonight. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, the whole thing glitched. Like
he can be there in the morning, baby girl. Oh, I mean, my bad. I ain't mean to baby girl. Like my bad. He can be in the morning there for you though. He can be right there in the morning.
Why'd you say my bad?
My bad, cause you for the twin.
Yeah, I thought you was
I can't disrespect the twin like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You for the bro.
You doing your makeup?
No.
What you doing? You trying to look cute for me?
I
said you trying to look cute for me?
Wait, can you guys roast me, please?
Roast you?
Yeah.
Matter of fact, drop him your number. He's gonna FaceTime you right now, and he'll roast the shit out of you. And y'all can finish whatever we left off. Y'all can finish.
You're lying to me.
No, I'm not lying. He's not lying.
No, I'm not lying. I'm for real. Drop him.